Oh, okay. It's been fitted, it's been tacked in. I think it's a very good overall. I'm very happy. If this thing is welded in full, unfortunately the gas is up. But if it's welded in full and cleaned up and sprayed, you're not gonna know nothing, my bro, nothing. So, we are getting there. Structurally, we are getting there. Okay, so I'm maybe sounding excited because it's Friday and yeah, we're almost done. So good luck, enjoy, and then the next video will be probably when this is welded up. So the fitment is excellent. It's in. Now is the big welding that still comes.